हमारी उनसे कोई जान पहचान नहीं है। We have no contact with them. We have no contact with them. उसे अपने पापा का कोई डर नहीं है। He is not afraid of his father. He is not afraid of his father. उसे कोई गलत आदतों की लत नहीं है। He is not fond of any bad habits. He is not fond of any bad habits. अब मेरा उससे कोई रिश्ता नहीं है। I have no relation with him now. I have no relation with him now. आप कौन से जमाने में जी रहे हैं? In which era you are living? In which era you are living? क्या मैं उसे एक बार देख सकता हूँ? Can I see her just once? Can I see her just once? मैं उससे पहले भी एक बार मिल चुका। I have met her once before. I have met her once before. कुछ पक्का नहीं कह सकते। Can't say for sure. कुछ पक्का नहीं कह सकते। Can't say for sure. कहाँ से मिला यह तुम्हें? Where did you get it from? कहाँ से मिला ये तुम्हें? Where did you get it from? आखिरकार आप यह सब समझ जाएंगे। You will understand all of this eventually. You will understand all of this eventually. वह आसानी से गुस्सा हो जाता है। He easily gets angry. He easily gets angry. हमें जानवरों के प्रति दया भाव रखना चाहिए। We should have compassion towards animal. We should have compassion towards animals. मेरी तुलना उन लोगों से मत करो। Don't compare me with them. Don't compare me with them. तुमने जो किया वो तारीफ के काबिल था। What you did was commendable. What you did was commendable. जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है। Whatever happens, happens for good. Whatever happens, happens for good. तुम इतना क्यों खाते हो? Why do you eat so much? तुम इतना क्यों खाते हो? Why do you eat so much? वह इतना क्यों बोलता है? Why does he speak so much? Why does he speak so much? तुम्हें चिंता करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। You don't need to worry. You don't need to worry. मुझे सोचने का समय दो। Give me time to think. मुझे सोचने का समय दो। Give me time to think. तुम किताबों को अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लो। You read the book thoroughly. You read the book thoroughly. देखो अब क्या होता है। See what comes next. देखो अब क्या होता है। See what comes next. बिना कारण अफवाह नहीं फैलती। No smoke without fire. No smoke without fire. और आपकी दिवाली कैसी रही? How was your दिवाली? How was your दिवाली? चलो कहीं घूमने का प्लान बनाते हैं। Let's plan a trip somewhere. Let's plan a trip somewhere. आपको क्या करना पसंद है? What do you like to do? आपको क्या करना पसंद है? What do you like to do? आजकल तुम कितने मजे कर रहे हो? You are having so much fun these days. You are having so much fun these days. वे मुझे क्या समझा रहे हैं? What are they explaining me? What are they explaining me? हम रोज उनके साथ टहलते हैं। We go for walk with them daily. We go for walk with them daily. ट्रेन समय पर स्टेशन पहुंच चुकी है. Train has reached the station on time. Train has reached the station on time. वे हमेशा हमारी तारीफ करते हैं. They always praise to us. They always praise to us. मैं समय से पहले पहुंच जाऊंगा. I will reach before time. I will reach before time. अब मुझसे सुबह उठा नहीं जाता. Now I can't wake up in the morning. Now I can't wake up in the morning. आज कितना शांत माहौल है. How calm is the atmosphere today. How calm is the atmosphere today. आप जल्दी उठने की कोशिश करो. You try to wake up early. You try to wake up early. देखो दरवाजे पर कौन खड़ा है. Look who is standing at the door. Look who is standing at the door. उसे जरूर नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए. He must follow the rules. He must follow the rules. उसे बताने से कोई फायदा नहीं है. There is no use of telling him. There is no use of telling him. मैं उसका हर समय साथ दूंगा. I will support him all the time. I will support him all the time. मैं उसके साथ समय बिताऊंगा. I will spend time with him. I will spend time with him. वो अब और ज़्यादा मेहनत करेगा. He will work harder now. He will work harder now. उसे अपनी जान की परवाह नहीं है. He doesn't care about his life. He doesn't care about his life. वैसे तो वो सब मेरे अपने हैं. Although they are my family. Although they are my family. क्या मैं आपसे बात कर सकती हूँ? Can I talk to you? क्या मैं आपसे बात कर सकती हूँ? Can I talk to you? माफ़ कीजिए आप कौन? Excuse me, who is this? माफ़ कीजिए आप कौन? Excuse me, who is this? वैसे तो वो अच्छा है मगर मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. Although he is very nice but I don't like him. Although he is very nice but I don't like him. उसे क्या दिया गया? What was he given? उसे क्या दिया गया? What was he given? आप फ़ोन क्यों नहीं उठा रहे थे? Why were you not picking up the phone? Why were you not picking up the phone? यहाँ से सीधे चले जाओ. Go straight from here. Go straight from here. वह आजकल बहुत पढ़ाई कर रहा है. He has been studying hard recently. He has been studying hard recently. तुम्हें उसे समझाने की ज़रूरत है. You don't need to convince him. You don't need to convince him. मेरी तबीयत दिन ब दिन बिगड़ती जा रही है. My health is worse day by day. My health is worse day by day. वह जोर जोर से खर्राटे ले रहा था. He was snoring loudly. He was snoring loudly. सुनी सुनाई बात पर भरोसा मत करो. Don't trust on hearsay. Don't trust on hearsay. मैंने किसी का क्या बिगाड़ा? What harm did I do to anyone? What harm did I do to anyone? क्या खाना बन गया है? Is the dinner ready? क्या खाना बन गया है? Is the dinner ready? जल्दी से तैयार हो जाओ. Get dressed quickly. Get dressed quickly. तुम दोनों बिल्कुल एक जैसे लगते हो. You two look so much alike. You two look so much alike. मुझे पहले कभी इतना मजा नहीं आया. I have never had so much fun before. I have never had so much fun before. मुझसे बातचीत करने के लिए क्यों नहीं आ जाती हो? Why don't you come talk to me? Why don't you come talk to me? टहलते समय पैर जल्दी जल्दी बढ़ाओ. Quicken your steps while walking. Quicken your steps while walking. दूसरों का मजाक मत उड़ाओ. Don't troll others. दूसरों का मजाक मत उड़ाओ. Don't troll others. दीपिका पार्टी में सबसे अलग दिख रही थी. Deepika was standing out in the party. Deepika was standing out in the party. दुकानें बंद हो चुकी होंगी. The shops must be closed. The shops must be closed. वो मुझे कहीं भी नहीं मिला. I couldn't find him anywhere. I couldn't find him anywhere. देखते ही देखते रात हो गई. It became night in no time. It became night in no time. मुझे नई किताबों की खुशबू बहुत पसंद है. I love the smell of new books. I love the smell of new books. मुझे बदले में क्या मिला? What did I get in return? मुझे बदले में क्या मिला? What did I get in return? उसने मेरी दोस्ती का फायदा उठाया. He took advantage of my friendship. He took advantage of my friendship. कुछ बड़ा करने की सोचो. Think of doing something big. Think of doing something big. वे गाड़ी आसानी से चोरी हो जाएगी. This car would be stolen easily. This car would be stolen easily. तुम अभी ज़्यादा परेशान लग रहे हो. You look more disturbed now. You look more disturbed now. ये आज हो जाएगा. This would be done today. ये आज हो जाएगा. This would be done today. शायद वो सही उम्मीदवार हो सकता है. He may be the right candidate. He may be the right candidate. उसने हाँ कहा या शायद ना. He said yes or maybe no. He said yes or maybe no. मैं ये रेड शर्ट लेना पसंद करूँगा. I would love to buy this red shirt. I would love to buy this red shirt. मैं पिज़्ज़ा खाना पसंद करूँगा. I would like to have pizza. I would like to have pizza. खुशियाँ अंदर से आती है. Happiness comes from within. Happiness comes from within. उसने मेरे पूछने पर जवाब दिया. He answered when I asked. He answered when I asked. मेरे आने पर वो आग बबूला हो गया. He got angry upon my arrival. He got angry upon my arrival. ये वही लड़की है जिसकी माँ टीचर है. This is the girl whose mom is a teacher. This is the girl whose mom is a teacher. मेरा सब्र खत्म हो गया. I have run out of patience. I have run out of patience. अपने माँ बाप का सर गर्व से ऊंचा करो. Make your parents proud. Make your parents proud. ज़्यादा मत सोचो, अब जो है सो है. Don't think so much, it is what it is. Don't think so much, It is what it is. ओह मैं तो बिल्कुल ही भूल गई. Oh, I completely forgot. Oh, I completely forgot. मैं इसे महंगा समझता था. I considered it to be expensive. I considered it to be expensive. मैं तुम्हें अच्छा दोस्त समझता था. I considered you to be a good friend. I considered you to be a good friend. मेरे बाल लंबे हुआ करते थे. I used to have long hair. I used to have long hair. सच तो ये है कि ये सब मैंने किया. As a matter of fact, I did all this. As a matter of fact, I did all this. कोई कुछ भी कहे हम साथ रहेंगे. No matter what anyone says, we will stay together. No matter what anyone says, we will stay together. तुमसे मिलने का मन कर रहा है. I feel like meeting you. I feel like meeting you. तुम हमारे बीच में आ रहे हो. You are coming between us. You are coming between us. वह अभी भी मेरी परवाह करती है. She still cares for me. She still cares for me. रिया कहाँ जाने वाली है? Where is Riya going to go? आप उससे क्यों बात नहीं करते हो? Why don't you talk to him? Why don't you talk to him? हमें जल्दबाजी करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need for us to hurry. There is no need for us to hurry. मेज पर कोई चम्मच नहीं है. There are no spoons on the table. मेज पर कोई चम्मच नहीं है. There are no spoons on the table. लड़के की आंखों में डर था. There was fear in boy's eyes. There was fear in boy's eyes. अब कोई समस्या नहीं होगी. There will not be any more problems. There will not be any more problems. मेरे बैग में बहुत सारे पैसे थे. There was a lot of money in my bag. There was a lot of money in my bag. दर्द के बिना कोई जीत नहीं है. There is no victory without pain. There is no victory without pain. क्या यहाँ पास में कोई क्रिकेट स्टेडियम है? Is there a cricket stadium near here? Is there a cricket stadium near here? मुझे ज़रूर वहाँ पहुँचना चाहिए. I must reach there. I must reach there. हमें एक बार कोशिश ज़रूर करनी चाहिए. We must try once. We must try once. मुझे उसे ज़रूर याद करना चाहिए. I must remember him. I must remember him. आपको नाश्ता ज़रूर करनी चाहिए. You must have breakfast. You must have breakfast. क्या आपको मिठाई खाना पसंद है? Do you like to eat sweets? Do you like to eat sweets? मेरा पेट गुड़गुड़ा रहा है. My stomach is rumbling. My stomach is rumbling. लगता है मेरा पेट खराब हो गया है. Looks like my stomach is upset. Looks like my stomach is upset. क्या तुमने हाल ही में उसे देखा है? Have you seen him recently? Have you seen him recently? मैं कोई कठपुतली नहीं हूँ. I am not a puppet. मैं कोई कठपुतली नहीं हूँ. I am not a puppet. तुम्हें चापलूसी नहीं करनी चाहिए. You should not flatter. You should not flatter. अब कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता। Nothing can be done now. Nothing can be done now. यह सब यहाँ नहीं चलेगा। This will not work here. This will not work here. यही तो वह कर रही थी। That's what she was doing. That's what she was doing. मेरी ओर आओ। Come towards me. मेरी ओर आओ। Come towards me. मैं तुमसे पक गया हूँ। I am tired of you. मैं तुमसे पक गया हूँ। I am tired of you. तुमने मुझे जानबूझकर दुख पहुँचाया। You hurt me knowingly. You hurt me knowingly. मैं सोचने लगा। I began to think. मैं सोचने लगा। I began to think. जितना गाली देना है दे लो। Abuse as much as you want. Abuse as much as you want. क्या ज़रूरत थी इसकी? What was the need of it? What was the need of it? आप बिल्कुल ठीक समय पर आए हैं। You have come just in time. You have come just in time. खाते वक्त अपना मुंह बंद करो। Close your mouth while eating. Close your mouth while eating. इतने चिड़चिड़े मत हो। Don't be so grumpy. इतने चिड़चिड़े मत हो। Don't be so grumpy. मुझे तुमसे ऐसी उम्मीद नहीं थी। I didn't expect that from you. I didn't expect that from you. अब मैं ऐसी गलती दोबारा नहीं करूँगा। Now I will not make such mistake again. Now I will not make such mistake again. आपको क्या हो रहा है? What's happening to you? आपको क्या हो रहा है? What's happening to you? उसे उसका हक मिलना चाहिए। He should get his right. He should get his right. सच छुपा कर भी नहीं छुपाया जा सकता। The truth can't be hidden even by hiding. The truth can't be hidden even by hiding. हम बिल्कुल नहीं सुनेंगे। We won't listen at all. We won't listen at all. मुझे बोलने का एक मौका तो दीजिए। At least give me a chance to speak. At least give me a chance to speak. बोर्ड में लिखा हुआ है कृपया शांति बनाए रखें। It is written on the board, please maintain peace. It is written on the board, please maintain peace. आपको यहाँ नहीं आना चाहिए था। You shouldn't have come here. You shouldn't have come here. खाना बासी हो गया था। The food had become stale. The food had become stale. मैंने भी सभी को अपना दोस्त बना लिया। I also made everyone my friend. I also made everyone my friend. मेरे पास सारे नोट्स भी होते हैं। I also have all the notes. I also have all the notes. वह अपने सारे फैसले खुद ही करता है। He makes all his own decision. He makes all his own decision. तुम हमेशा मुझे इंतजार करवाते हो। You always make me wait. You always make me wait. Earring मेरे बालों में फंस गया। Earrings got stuck in my hair. Earrings got stuck in my hair. वह घर का काम काज कर रही थी। She was doing household chores. She was doing household chores. अपना तौलिया बाहर डाल दो। Hang out your towel outside. Hang out your towel outside. तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? नल किसने खुला छोड़ दिया? Who left the tap open? Who left the tap open? आज मुझे बहुत काम है. Today I have a lot of work. Today I have a lot of work. मैंने अभी अभी अपना चेहरा धोया है. I have just washed my face. I have just washed my face. उसका बर्ताव कुछ अलग है. His behavior is different. His behavior is different. मैं यहाँ अकेले नहीं जा सकती. I can't go here alone. I can't go here alone. मैं तुम पर कैसे यकीन कर सकती हूँ? How can I trust you? How can I trust you? उसे किसी की भावनाओं की कद्र ही नहीं है. He doesn't care about anyone's feelings. He doesn't care about anyone's feelings. वह सबसे ऐसे ही बात करती है. She talks like this to everyone. She talks like this to everyone. पैदल चलना बहुत ही मुश्किल है. It is very difficult to walk. It is very difficult to walk. उसने यह फोन ऑनलाइन खरीदा. She bought this phone online. She bought this phone online. उसका बर्ताव कुछ अलग लग रहा है. His behavior seems a bit different. His behavior seems a bit different. तुमने तो कहा था तुम्हारे पास एक भी पैसे नहीं है. You said that you don't have a single rupee. You said that you don't have a single penny. इतना घमंड करना अच्छा नहीं है. It is not good to be so proud. It is not good to be so proud. बस तुम निराश मत होना. Just don't be discouraged. Just don't be discouraged. मैं इंटरव्यू दे देकर थक गया हूँ. I am tired of giving interviews. I am tired of giving interviews. मैं बहुत दिनों से नौकरी की तलाश में हूँ. I have been looking for a job for a long time. I have been looking for a job for a long time. उसका पागलपन बढ़ता जा रहा है. His madness is increasing. His madness is increasing. उसे छोटी छोटी बातों में गुस्सा आता है. He gets angry in small things. He gets angry in small things. वह कुछ तो छुपा रहा है. He is hiding something. वह कुछ तो छुपा रहा है. He is hiding something. बिजली पूरे 2 घंटे के बाद आई. Electricity came after 2 full hours. Electricity came after 2 full hours. तुम बहुत ही पत्थर दिल हो. You are very stone-hearted. You are very stone-hearted. मेरे हाथ में खुजली हो रही है. My hands are itching. मेरे हाथ में खुजली हो रही है. My hands are itching. क्या आपने मेरा चार्जर देखा है? Have you seen my charger? Have you seen my charger? हमारे पास वक्त बहुत कम है. We have very little time. We have very little time. और ना ही हम वक्त को रोक सकते हैं. Nor can we stop time. Nor can we stop time. उसे तो वक्त की परवाह ही नहीं है. She doesn't care about time. She doesn't care about time. हर चीज में किस्मत को दोष नहीं देना चाहिए। Luck should not be blamed for everything. Luck should not be blamed for everything. जब तक मैं ना बोलूं बाहर मत आना। Don't come out until I told. Don't come out until I told. तुम यहाँ क्यों आ गए? Why have you come here? Why have you come here? मेरी फ्लाइट कल सुबह 10 बजे की है। My flight is tomorrow at 10 a.m. My flight is tomorrow at 10 a.m. तुम उसे खबर नहीं करोगे। You will not inform him. You will not inform him. अब जो होगा उसके जिम्मेदार तुम होगे। You will be responsible for what happens now. You will be responsible for what happens now. यह अच्छी आदत नहीं है, सुधार लो। This is not a good habit, fix it. This is not a good habit, fix it. पैसे तो सभी के पास होते हैं। Everyone has money. Everyone has money. इंसान का दिल बड़ा होना चाहिए। Man's heart should be big. Man's heart should be big.